teaser. Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Mary here, and this is my channel, Brown Queendom. So, another Amazon wig, y'all, for the win, and I really have been loving this one. I am not disappointed at all. The only hiccup I had was trying to glue it down. Even though it was glueless, it's glueless. I was trying to glue it down just for a little bit, you know, more of a little bit of stability or longevity, I guess. I wanted to just be able to have it down and all that stuff, but turns out I didn't need it, and I feel like I kind of ruined this part of the everything, trying to like melt the lace and everything. It was unnecessary. So I've just been rocking it like this, and it's been doing, I've had this like back here, and I've had like this type of situation going on. It was really cute. Trust me. This is after a few days. I just used water and some mousse and a good old Tangle Teezer brush, and the curls were really cute. Now it's been a few days, like I said. I'm going to refresh. I have my water here, my Misty spray water bottle. I believe I got this from Sally Beauty. And then this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I love, first of all, tangent real quick, why has this brand been around since the beginning of my natural hair journey? I don't know, like I started out going natural, and this was one of the brands that I just felt like I could trust, and it was a consistent brand for me. Whenever I would run out of the shampoo, and this is the exact line, the argan oil line specifically is what I'm referring to. I don't know, I just keep going back to it, and it doesn't disappoint. I do think that every natural at one point or another veers off, and like even if we get our staples and find our staples, I think we all end up going and trying out new things and different things, and there's nothing wrong with that. But it says a lot about the brand, I feel like, when I can say that at every stage of my journey I've made my way back to this brand. Out of all the products I've tried and have loved, this is definitely one of the ones that sticks around. So it's a lot to be said in this brand. Like, I love the shampoo, the conditioner. You won't be disappointed. Like, literally at every stage. When I say every stage, I've shaved my head. I started out transitioning, when I was transitioning and just cutting a little bit at a time when I originally went natural, because I grew up getting perms. So growing up with that, I had to go natural. And you know, one of the few things, like, we had a few strands of hair on our head back then with them perms, and I still wanted to hold on to the length even though it was like horrible. So I just snip, and even in that phase I was reaching for this exact line of cream of Nature. I just think that's funny, that's all. But alright, so I'm wetting this side, and I'm going to do this side and then this side, and we'll see what's going on. It's crazy because this mousse is the only thing in my hair, and all I've done was spray the water, and you can kind of see the curls coming back to life. And I say my hair, but like I said, this is a wig. And I will say that I'm going to go ahead and go in with some of this now. I will say that I have been enjoying finding these wigs that actually look, there we go, I have been really enjoying finding these wigs that really that the curly wigs, you know. It's been nice finding the ones that actually look like natural hair, and that are not like all bone straight or whatever the case may be. I like it, I'm not gonna lie, and this is one of my favorites so far. This is one of my favorites, and it was not as expensive as the first. I had a wet and wavy wig where the curls kind of resemble this. This is nothing like that. Nothing like that. All right, let me zoom y'all back out so you can see everything. If I can get this without messing up anything. There we go. So I'm gonna add some more mousse. That's like 3 pumps there. And I'm just go in, really get it on the ends and up at the top, the roots as well. And I'm kind of just running my fingers through it, but I am going to use this brush. It did get a little tangled from just me wearing it out and then just taking it off, throwing it out any type of way. But this tangle teaser is about to knock all that out. Just give me a second. And I really, like I said, I really enjoy this. Hair is soft. It's really soft. There is no crunch in this. Well, there. Let me see. With this product, there is no crunch. I have gotten crunch depending on what what I use, but just with this mousse, no crunch. The hair remains very, very soft, and it lasts. There's like a little hold where these curls are very cute and bouncy. Cute and bouncy the entire time. And I wish I remembered exactly how much time has gone by, but sadly I don't. I think it's been at least a week. And actually no, today is Thursday. I'm redoing it. I think Friday was last Friday I did these. And look at the bounce. Look at that. That is crazy, right? Look at those curls. Just a tangle teaser and some mousse. I love that. I love that. Okay, so let's finish. I'm gonna finish getting all the, and the great thing about this wig is the bounce. I will say I love it. I love the bounce. I love how the curls form and clump together with this brush. When I tell y'all I was shocked, but I wasn't disappointed. Like no disappointment at all. I loved this look. My hands are freezing from this water, honey. So let's do this. Look at the bounce. Alright, so moving on to the next side. So you can see the difference, and I will come back so y'all can see what it looks like once it dries a bit. Oh goodness. Let's go ahead and spray this down with water. I don't have the clips. This wig has 3 clips. It has adjustable bands, and it has one of those. It has like a big band in it too. I've just been using the one band, and I don't have to use any of the clips. I have used the clips, but let me say, when I did glue this down, so I had it glued down successfully, even if it looked trash. I enjoyed the lack of pulling. Them combs be pulling the heck out of my edges sometimes, and I don't like that. I've never been a fan of that, which is why my wigs don't stay on long. A train is coming, but they don't stay on that long. I'm gonna be quiet while the train go by. Well, that seemed like a short one. So yeah, they don't stay on long, and when I did glue it down, I noticed that I was able to leave it and it was not bothering me. I didn't get a headache. I didn't get a headache at all, actually. So I love that for me. And I will be trying it again, and we'll see if we get a little better. We'll see if we get better. Oh, I thought that was going to be a short train. It's just not as loud today. What is going on? Okay, that was super tangled right there. So let me grab this brush and put that to work over here, and a little bit more of this. I do also need to rebraid my actual hair down, but I'm going to be washing it, and that's going to be in another video, because it's time. I have to do a style. I'm excited about it. I will say, I've worked with this brand before, coming right off the heels of my Eden Bodyworks ambassadorship. Once that ended, I was blessed enough to be approached by this brand, and I will say it was not the best time for me, but I didn't want to miss that opportunity. And this is one of those things where I learned the hard way. It's like sometimes it's okay to say no, because I wasn't proud of my work. I feel like I wasn't able to give it my all, and so I've just been so like wondering if I ended up having a lot of stuff going on life-wise, unexpected stuff, health issues and things like that. And I just feel like I know I can do better, but I've just been so like worried that the brand hated my work that they wouldn't want to work with me anymore. So I've been dealing with that for a while, like mentally just battling with that type of stuff. And this train is still going, bro. I hope y'all can hear me okay. Now it finishes up. Ain't that some crap? But so yeah, with that being said, it's like I really would love to be able to deliver something amazing to them this time around, and that's what I want to do. But I'm approaching the deadline, and I have to, like, my products just came yesterday, and so I'm just like, that is really cute. My products came yesterday, so I have to wash my hair and all that, but I also just started 2 classes. So I'm kind of like right back in the same boat. I wasn't aware that I was going to have 2 classes at all when I accepted this for this campaign. And now I'm just like, all right, it's back on. The pressure is back on. But it's okay. It's going to work out. And the craziest part is I feel like I'm wasting time trying to come up with a strategy, but I want it to be good. I want to actually go in with a plan. I want to have like a shot list and everything, and know beforehand what I'm going to be doing, like so I can shoot everything fluidly. And I want it to be impactful for sure. Like I'm sick of just creating and it not meaning anything or doing anything. I understand, like, when I started Instagram, it's come a long way from when I started to where it is now. And one of the things I have to do better at is staying with the trendy things and being vulnerable the right way. Like being vulnerable the way that it's going to get people to actually stop and click and stop and say, hey, I'm gonna remember her, you know, that type of thing. So I'm working on it. I'm getting there. And like in this case with this brand, I really just want to deliver a good product and just do better than I did the last time. And it's good because I'm in the right mind frame as of I'm competing with myself, versus where when I was at Eden, when I first started that was my very first like ever like that. And so I was so nervous, and oh my gosh, I used to just think, oh, my stuff is not as good as the rest of these girls. But one thing I will say, at Eden, they definitely let us know that they embraced our each one of our uniqueness. They understood that each one of us brought something different to the table. And I really did enjoy that. Alright, so I think I'm about done. That's literally all I was going to do for this. But yeah, so that's why I do like to speak and share stories as far as why it's important for me to shop with certain brands, and why it's important for me to try to work alongside certain brands, and why they inspire me, and if they inspire me and why, like things like that. So alright, I think this is as good as we are going to get with this. Let me show y'all the back. I really love this. Now let me figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Am I gonna pin it back behind my ear like I had it? That's cute. That was really cute. It was an entire thing, and I just got to remember to smooth those back out that I put behind my ear, or else it's going to be frizzy. The only thing, like, now that the glue is up and I just keep it like this, and like I said, I just wear it, I feel like it do be moving now, because the hairspray is like not sticky anymore, so it's not really staying in place anymore. Alright, so once this starts to dry, and once it hits like day 2 hair even, it's very cute. But I'm gonna just let it air dry while I finish doing some work. I am about to upload a video to the girls channel actually, and I need to go ahead and get this description box in before I go get them from the bus stop. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's literally it. That's all I did. I will have this wig linked in my Amazon storefront, so check the description box for the link. Support your girl. I am really determined and motivated to give my all to this, and we will make a difference. People gonna know who we are, you know. People gonna know our name. Like, people will know my name. People will know that they can come to me and it's gonna be honest feedback about things. Whew. All right, here we go. Look at these curls. All right, yeah, so I will be back to show y'all the final look before I close this video out. So for now, peace. This is gonna be so cute. All right, so this is what it's looking like now. It's 5:47. You can see the bounce is still there. I'm still loving it. It's very soft. My daughter been playing in it over here, back here, so if it looks frizzy, she literally just been like, oh mama, I love it. So that's that. But I'm loving it. I honestly am waiting for it to frizz up. I personally hate this situation here. I love this. Like, I like the frizz. Like, get a little messy now that you have dry up and everything. But I am loving the clumping situation, so there's that.